The Blink XT2 Camera Mounts. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the new official Blink XT2 camera mounts. These are an upgraded version, and they sell them separately in a 3-pack. They are also included with the new XT2 cameras. They will work with the existing indoor Blink and Blink XT camera as well. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. These come in a 3-pack, and you get these optional spacers along with the mounting screws. If you are an existing owner, you are familiar with the original mounts, which were very flimsy and tend to break. Many of the customers went for aftermarket options. Now Blink has released these new factory mounts, which come with the XT2 systems or can be purchased separately. These mounts are plastic and it uses a ball type joint, and it clips just right onto the back. You have 2 mounting points so you can screw it in, and it also comes with an optional spacer if you want to adjust the camera at a better angle. Installing it is simple, just push it into place until you hear it click. An adjustment is very easy, and you can swivel it to your desired viewing angle. This feels a lot sturdier than the original versions. And removing it is just a matter of pulling it off. And this mount will work across all the Blink cameras. So if you have existing cameras and are looking for mounts, this will be a good option. Here I have the Blink indoor camera and it clips right on. It's only available in black. Installation is easy, just use the 2 supplied screws and optional spacers. Once mounted, just clip the camera right on. You can see how easy it is to adjust, and it stays into place. This is definitely a welcomed upgrade, and it works very well. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.